My name's Tamara Attanasio, and this is my husband, Kyle Attanasio. And our daughters are Lachlan and Saoirse, and they both go to St. Louis Living Arts School. The girls' experience so far with going to school at St. Louis has been fantastic. So Lachlan started at St. Louis last year, right when we moved to Kenora just in October 2020. I think every school holiday, she's like, but when do I get to go back to school? And we definitely spent all last year, letting our younger daughter, who's now 4, know that she only had a year to wait to get to school. And now that she gets to go to St. Louis too, she's just over the moon. They love their school and they love being able to be kind of part of the school community.
So we really appreciate the community feel that the school has, and as well, we really enjoy the programming, the living arts in particular. Some of our kids, favorite memories, going to Home Hardware and playing around with some wood and a hammer, or doing some of the cooking and pickling that they've done at school.
I think what's incredible is that they incorporate it all into the curriculum. They're working on math while they're cooking, and it's all of those ways to highlight the learning that they're doing and how it intermingles with everyone's lives. So as a parent, I think we have such a lovely relationship with the teachers and with the school.
And the staff are really good at using other tools as well. We get calendars and whatnot, so we have a sense for what is happening in the kids' day, which sort of allows us to get the kids excited in the morning before they go, but also give us something to talk about when they get home from school.
We can't recommend St. Louis high enough. It's just been such a warm and loving and fun environment to start out in. The quality of the education that they get is absolutely fantastic. The materials that they have, the learning opportunities, the stress that they put on nature, and how important that is to everything that the children do. It's just been above and beyond, I think, our expectations.